for the ones who've joined right now, it's going to be Tejasvi Prakash joining us today, and I'm extremely sorry for not being able to do that yesterday, but we made it a point to come and do that today. So if you have any questions for her, let me know. Hi Tejasvi, how are you doing?
Wait a second. Yeah.
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to say I'm so sorry because we couldn't do this yesterday. Yeah, tell me, sorry.
Yeah, what happened? I was waiting yesterday.
I know. We had a little issue in the family back here with my dad and stuff like that, but it's all fine now. We're back home.
Oh, you fine,
Uh,
right?
yeah. He was having a little lung pain and it got us all freaked out, but it's fine now.
Oh my God.
Yeah. That's how it was yesterday, but we really apologize for that. I'm so sorry. But now that we got a chance, chance to speak to you, tell us, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. I have been sleeping in the day and being up all night. So for me, days become night and night has become my day. I slept at around 6 in the morning today and I just woke up about 2 hours back.
Are you serious?
Yeah, and that's why, I didn't think it was 2 hours back. I think it was an hour back, which is a very shakal है कि वैसे सो के उठूंगी वाली शक्ल है.
But no, you look very cute any which ways. So let me begin with, let's not jump on to quarantine questions, but let me just ask you, how was Khatro for you? I saw a couple of creepy episodes. How did you manage to do it so well?
It was very, very tough. It was very, very tough. You should ask my parents how I react even if I see one cockroach in the house. And just having so many of them all over you was so scary. And about cockroaches, the rats are also bad. Like I still remember, I was inside the coffin, and everybody was like, "पैर सीधे कर, पैर सीधे कर." So the whole stunt, I did have my पैर सीधे, but बीच में मैं पैर अंदर कर रही थी. And आपने शायद एक शॉट देखा भी होगा where I go like, यार नीचे वाले काट रहे हैं. तो जो नीचे जो चूहे होते हैं ना, वो चूहे ऐसे दांत से ऐसे they like feeling your toes. They're feeling your toes, they're biting your toes. मतलब लिटरली ऐसे किसी ने चूहे ने लिटरली ऐसे काटा नहीं, टू बी वेरी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. ऐसे कुछ पीस ऐसे लेके ऐसे कुछ हुआ नहीं. बट या कॉकरोचेस बिट मी अ लॉट. लाइक कॉकरोचेस का क्या था कि they go everywhere inside क्योंकि वो इतने छोटे होते हैं in comparison to rats, and then they place their teeth like this and then they bite and they just bite and they don't leave you. So जैसे हम लोग वो स्टंट से बाहर निकलते हैं and we get rid of all those things, and by the time we get home and we taking a shower क्योंकि चूहों वाला स्टंट था ये वो, तभी जब आप अपनी बॉडी को देखते हो मिरर के सामने, तब पता चलता है यार कहाँ कहाँ नहीं काटा. एंड दे बाइट यू एवरीवेयर. Oh my God, it was bad.
So now that you've already done the task, do आप अभी भी freak out होते हो cockroaches को देख के कि now you're cool with it?
नहीं मैं अभी भी freak out होती हूँ. That's what my dad was just. So the other day we were in my आंगन. So I live in a row house. तो हमारे घर पे आंगन है and all of that. So it's a very like a natural kind of house, like not an apartment, it's a house, it's a home. तो हमारे यहाँ पर ऐसे चूहे भी एक्चुअली गाड़ी के पास आते हैं, या लाइक कॉकरोचेस या लाइक लिजर्ड्स आते हैं. So I live on the ground floor and I live in Goregaon West, and this used to be like a massive jungle. अब तो Goregaon East में तो jungle अभी भी है film city में. So basically I have a lot of that coming in. तो जब भी मैं अपना परसों ही मैंने कॉकरोच देखा and I yelled and I ran out and I'm like, इसको निकालो. My God, मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है. And my dad was like, ये clip इसका वीडियो निकाल के मैं एंडमॉल, वायकॉम और रोहित शेट्टी सर को भेजूंगा. अभी भी आपने डर का कुछ नहीं किया है, अभी भी घर पे आती है, स्टिल स्कैर्ड ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स. but during the चूहे वाला stunt, I'll be honest, मैं कॉफिन के अंदर थी और मैं सिर्फ गणपति बप्पा को प्रे कर रही थी, क्योंकि चूहे गणपति बप्पा का वाहन है, राइट? तो मैं बस इसे प्रे कर रही थी कि प्लीज अब चूहों को समझाना, कुछ नहीं करे, कुछ नहीं करे, क्यों कुछ नहीं करे,
How
गणपति
good.
बप्पा।
बट सुन ली गणपति बापा ने, चूहों ने नहीं काटा आपको?
हाँ, चूहों ने नहीं काटा, बट दे वर रियली फीलिंग माय टोज, एंड उनके दांत इन कंपैरिजन टू कॉकरोच बहुत बड़े थे, एंड डर तो लगता ही है, राइट? बट
So
कर
now
लिया,
that
कर लिया।
so now that you already told us कि it is creepy and freaking out and मतलब obviously लड़कियों को तो और भी ज्यादा डर लगता है, लड़के तो फिर भी थोड़े कर लेते
नहीं,
हैं, खेल लेते हैं कॉकरोच।
मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं लगता है कि लड़के फिर भी कर लेते हैं, लड़कियों को ज्यादा लगता है। मुझे तो जेन्युइनली लगता है कि इस सीजन की लड़कियां वर वे स्ट्रॉन्गर। Like, I have not met any guy in my season who was stronger with creepy crawlies than Ada Khan. There was nobody stronger than Ada when it came to creepy crawly. I think boys have an upper hand when it comes to physical stunts, क्योंकि physically men are built stronger. तो ये इसमें तो that's something that you can't really do anything, but I think we still try to perform very well even in physical stunts. But creepy crawly में अदा के आसपास भी कोई नहीं था, लाइक ना लड़कियां पर लड़के भी नहीं, to be very honest.
So what made you sign a show like this जो आपको दिन रात डराता रहेगा?
कभी कभी मैं भी खुद को यही पूछती हूँ, सच बोलूँ तो, what made me do it? But I've been experimenting with my work a lot lately. Like, I did a mytho show on television, and a lot of people don't really do it because they feel that mytho करने के बाद normal show मिलना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. But it was actually after my mytho show that I got my first ever web series on Voot. So I did a mytho, and then I did a web series on Voot, and then I did a Marathi film with Rohit sir, and then I did a reality show like Khatron Ke Khiladi. So, and now I've also done a music video. So none of these things are in very in any way close to each other. So I was doing a lot of daily soaps pehle, and now I'm really just exploring a lot more, or which is why I was thinking of doing a reality show, and I did not think there is any reality show better than Khatron Ke Khiladi. And I know that Big Boss also does very, very well. I think Big Boss is the biggest reality show.
Yeah. So let me jump to another question. Tell me, do you have a helping hand at home, or you doing things by yourself?
No, I live with my parents. I've been a Mumbai girl, and this is the house that I've lived life. So I have basically been cooking, and Mama has been cooking the lunch. Dad has been doing the dishes, and so basically हम तीनों ने अपने काम equally divide करके रखे हैं.
Wow. And now that we hear that the lockdown is going to be extended, which very much will happen, what have you planned to do? How are you going to be spending your coming days in this lockdown?
I've heard it's going to go till the 1st of June at least, and especially to celebrate my
It's got stuck.
But and my birthday is on the 10th of June. 10th of June. और 1st of June तक अगर लॉकडाउन है भी, तो 1st of June के बाद आई एम नॉट श्योर कि कब चीज़ें ओपन होंगी और मैं बाहर जा भी पाऊंगी या नहीं. So now I'm really scared.
Arjun Bijlani sends a thumbs up to you.
Oh, he sent a thumbs up. Hi, Arjun. Hi. Arjun says he finds me very, very funny. I don't know whether it's funny. I don't even try to be funny. मैं सिर्फ नॉर्मल चीजें बात करती हूँ और लोगों को फनी लग जाती है. यार मुझे समझ नहीं आता.
बहुत कम लोगों में ये क्यूट क्वालिटी होती है, आप में है.
बराबर. हाँ.
Just tell me, if you get a chance to get locked down with somebody from the television fraternity, whom would you want to be locked down with?
I think I would love to be locked down with the whole cast of Khatroon Ke Khiladi because we
Wow.
have so much fun, and it was almost like not having your friends around and your family around in Bulgaria for a really long time, and we were just together and so all of us, if we all get locked down together, we won't even realize it's a lockdown. It'll be a party for us. It'll be a party. Oh my!
Mm. Oh my God, it's again got stuck.
मुझे मेरे दोस्तों के comments दिखते नहीं है.
It's gotten stuck. Mm. अटक गया फिर से. Got better. Okay, so
got
okay, we are not going. Let's not stretch this as much because it's getting exhausting for you too. Let me just ask you. There's so many
No,
people.
it's okay.
फिर से अटक गया. So many people wanting to say hi to you. So if you would want to just scroll through and give a shout out to your fans, I'm sure
Oh
they've
yeah,
been
yeah. I'd love
waiting.
to go through. Arshad Hussain Pak. Hi. Avni. Hello. Hi. Hi, Anushri Paul. Parth Jayesh Bhatt doesn't like me. Oh, Alexin, hi. Love from country. Hi, Niranjan. Hi, Niranjan. Hi. Is there anything you guys want to ask before? Hi, hi, AK Hirani. Hello, cute baby. Themselves only cute baby.
It's gotten.
Hi, ma'am. Big fan. Chandni Fairy. Hi, Prakash. Tejasvi Prakash Holik. Hi. Hi.
Acha, okay. I wanted to ask you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I can't even hear the yes if you say that you can hear me. तो मैं कैसे guess करूँ?
I can hear you now.
Can you hear me? Abhi?
Yeah, I
Oh
can
my
hear
God,
you
this
now.
is stuck.
I got a question thing. So basically, my dad has made a extremely yummy. कि पहले वो पीस वाली दो वाली साइन की थी. So that basically is Bay and Bay Pana man. Like इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें डालती रहती हो अपने अकाउंट पे. आप लोग देखते नहीं हो, आप कुछ करते नहीं हो यार. These are really intellectual questions on my profile.
And it's just being stuck. The live is just cracking up. Oh my God. You're gonna see the footage later on. You're gonna be like, oh my God, what is this? I can't even hear a bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a no, बहुत बीच बीच में आता है थोड़ा बहुत and then नहीं आता है. It gets stuck. Again, it got stuck. ठीक है. I'm gonna just take one question now. That is, have you ever, जैसे अभी तो it's a pandemic and that is why we are locked down and we have to kind of be good citizens and be at home. But ऐसे कभी हुआ है लाइफ में पहले कि आप लॉक हो गए हो या मम्मी ने लॉक कर दिया हो because of some शरारत or something like this?
Oh yeah. So basically, my dad has always Saudi or Dubai. तो मेरा पूरा चाइल्डहुड हैज बीन विद मी, माय ब्रदर एंड माय मॉम. काम से जाती थी तो मुझे और मेरे छोटे भाई को घर पे लॉक जाती थी. लाइक लिटरली मैं और मेरा भाई घर पे रहते थे और मम्मी घर के बाहर ताला लगा के जाती थी ताकि लोगों को लगे ऐसे घुस ना पाए. And this is like you can see it's a row house, so basically anybody like not a building. तो इसलिए मम्मी बहुत डरी हुई रहती थी और वो ऐसे थी. तो हाँ, I have been locked inside my house most of brother Pratik.
I hope that, once we save this live after the conversation, we get to hear all the answers because of the network being so weird today. Half of the things are just being cut off. I hope I get to know about it once I read it again. I mean, listen to it again. You can hear me, right? Meanwhile.
What?
Mm, okay. So, lastly, what would you want to say to the people who have been still loitering around in this lockdown and, making it difficult for us to kind of get rid of COVID-19?
You.
This isn't working at all. It's just being stuck. आपको मेरा सवाल सुनाई दे रहा है?
Here, I mean, I can
Every
hear
time
you
you
now.
answer ना ये stuck हो जाता है तो I don't पता नहीं what's happening. But did you speak on the message that you want to give to people about being safe from COVID?
Oh, no, I haven't. Okay, yeah, so basically, just like to say is just stay home. And don't, it's very, very important for you to get something, or you take a, obviously use sanitizers and face masks, but I would suggest you to just always take a shower once you get home from outside, and just stay
Hmm.
home, stay healthy, and take care of all the elders in the family.
Okay, then we tried our best to do this live with all the cracking up in between. But we're gonna try to, get in touch with you once the lockdown goes off so that, we can do this without any problems. Uh, so, yeah, then meanwhile, I hope you stay safe and I hope you like speaking to Bollywood Bubble in the weirdest network ever.
Yeah, I can't help it. It's an issue at my end or
I know, right? But
what,
then, as long
but
as
we will
your fans get to
sure.
see you, I think that is more than enough for them. They are really happy.
How sweet.
Okay, then,
How
bye. I'll
sweet.
see you. I'll text you.
Okay, cool. Bye. Take care. Bye.
So, guys, that was Tejasvi Prakash with us. I'm so sorry for the network issues happening and for the cracked up voice and all of that. We will try to, have a better conversation next time. This was your host, Srishti Pathak, signing out.